Good morning and welcome to another video. Today we're looking at this Volkswagen Touareg that came to us with issues with the infotainment system. What happens? The system freezes, so the screen becomes unresponsive, audio cuts out, so everything is frozen, it just stalls, and then you cannot do anything with it. Occasionally it was reported that it will just switch off completely as well. So we're going to investigate, find out what's going on, and try to repair it. So let's get to it. I've just started it. Service light, that's not an issue, that's just information that is that I need service. But I've got the screen and I can immediately report that I'm trying to turn the knob for volume, nothing happens. Touching the screen, completely frozen. Even if I try to call any of the menus through the buttons below here, nothing happens. So the system is completely frozen, there's no sound in the car. So this is what happens. So we're just gonna try to investigate this now and find out the issue and repair it at the same time. Right, I'm back in the car. We've completed diagnostics and the repair. So let me show you. It starts. Okay, so immediately I can decrease the volume, as you can see, and I can go to different settings. I press car, radio, and navigation, and everything works as it should. It doesn't freeze or anything like that. Touchscreen works and all the functions are basically restored. The problem we found was with the head unit motherboard. The head unit for this system is fitted here. You can probably see behind that cover, it's just there. So that's where the head unit sits, and the motherboard for that head unit in there has failed. We found the fault on it, we repaired it, and now it's fully working. We also updated the maps on this system, so all together is all done. So this video is not about how to repair it, it's showing you that we offer these services. All these repairs are very different in terms of there could be different components that fail, but the behavior could be similar, so they're all very unique. And we offer full diagnostics of these and provide no obligation repair quotations. So if you do have an issue with your system and would like to have it checked, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.